Hi, in this video, we're going to be looking at conditionally formatting data in Google Sheets. Some people also call this color coding the data. So here's an open Google Sheet where I've used these to track student progress and data through unit assessments. And I've chosen color codes to show where dark gray would represent well below the standard, red would represent below standard, yellow is meeting standard, and green is exceeding standard. Right now, I'm going to show you how to put those color codes in. So we're going to take a look at these columns, these two right here, the Unit 10 pre and post assessments. And I put some fake data in here just to show how this can work, and also left this column blank to show you that there's actually two ways to do this. So what you'll want to do is highlight the columns that you want to color code or conditionally format. Once they're highlighted, you click on Format, and you scroll down and select Conditional Formatting. And that'll open up this bar on the side. What you'll be looking at is this box here. It automatically defaults to cell as not empty, but I'm going to go and select greater than or equal to. Now, it automatically defaults to having this light green color. If you wanted to change your color, you could go here and pick something more vibrant. It's totally personal preference, or you can just use that default setting. Then what you need to tell it is what value would be greater than or equal to exceeding the standard. And for this, since you see that it's out of 10 points, we're going to say 9 would be exceeding the standard. And you can see right here that 3 scores have already lit up in green. Now I'm going to add another rule. This time it's going to be greater than or equal to 7 because I'm going to be showing those that are meeting the standard. But I'm going to need to change the color to yellow. You can either choose that light yellow, or again, if you want something more vibrant, you can select that. And you'll see that anything greater than or equal to 7, but less than 9 has turned yellow. Now we add another rule. For red, maybe they have to get half of them correct, so 5. Again, you can select that light red color, or you can pick the brighter color. And you can see the ones now that are greater than or equal to 5, but less than 7 have turned red. And now finally, we'll add another rule. We're going to set this one at 0. And then we're going to change the color to something that is gray. If you want to, you can make it darker. Again, it's totally a personal preference thing. And now we are done. And you can see where I've already entered the data that it's changed colors and now is color coded, so I can easily see who is exceeding standard, who is above, or meeting rather, who is below, and who is well below. Now, what you may have noticed is I highlighted both of these columns. That's because now when I enter in scores for the post-test data, it will automatically conditionally format and color code as I enter them in. So let's say Lou here had an 8 on the pretest and maybe scored a 10 on the post-test. And you see it automatically colors that green. And we go down, we'll take Oscar. He scored 2 on the pretest. Maybe on the post-test he got 7. We can see that the colors are popping in. Andrew scored 3 on the pretest. On the post-test, maybe he scored 5. And as we work our way down here, you can see that it'll populate the cells with colors every time you enter in this data. And that is how you can conditionally format and color code using Google Sheets. Thank you so much for watching.